Cárta Poist.
Díochait Éden. Tá mé ar maléhan de sira san idáil. Sin mise os cór an Chalasiam. Bhí mé sa Vaticán inné. Chonig mé alíonn agus aláin seanródaí. Dih mé pizza agus pasta. Is brálam an roimh. Slán go fáil, calam.
Ceistena. Ceiste hain. Cé scríomh an Cárta Poist. Ceiste dó. Cá bhfuil calam. Ceiste trí. Cá raibh sé inné. Ceiste cathair. Cad a chonaic sé. Ceiste cúig. Cad a dis sé.
Okay, so Cárta Poist is a postcard. And this is a postcard from Callum, who's in Italy. Dia gwich a Aidan. Dia gwich, God be with you, or hello Aidan. Tá me, I am mo leihin to sira. I on my days that are free, which is basically your holidays. So I am on my holidays, San Idol, in Italy. Shin Misha, that's me, Oscor, in front of, on Colosseum, and that's me in front of the Colosseum. Vime, I was, sa Vatican inye, I was in the Vatican inye. Hunik me, I saw Alien, which is art, agus alon shan ruddy, I saw art and a lot of old things. Di me, I ate pizza agus pasta, I ate pizza and pasta. Is bra lum on roiv. I love Rome. That's where he is. Slongafall. Goodbye for now. Callum. Okay. We're going to play that through one more time, and I want you to listen out for the pronunciation and repeat every sentence after you've heard it to get better at pronunciation.
Cárta Poist.
Díochait Éden. Tá mé ar maléhan de sira san idáil. Sin mise os cór an Chalasiam. Bhí mé sa Vaticán inné. Chonig mé alíonn agus aláin seanródaí. Dih mé pizza agus pasta. Is brálam an roimh. Slán go fáil, calam.
Okay, let's have a look at the questions now. So make sure to put your page number up at the top, Lahanach Noka Sahain, page 91, and Cárta Poist is our title. So question 1, K escrive on Cárta Poist. K means who wrote the postcard. So you'll have to look down the bottom of the postcard, you'll see that Callum wrote it. So scrive Callum on Cárta Poist. Scrive means wrote, so Callum wrote the postcard. Question 2, Cá will Callum. Where is Callum? And you answer Cá will with Tá. Tá Callum. Callum is. Now you can just say Tá Callum san idol, but you could also say Tá Callum a leihin to sira. He's on his holidays san idol. You can also say Tá Callum a leihin to sira sa roiv san idol. So he's in Rome in Italy. Question 3. Cá rev sé inné. Cá rev means where was, sé, where was he, inné, where was he yesterday. So you're going to have to start off, because in the piece it says vi may, but you have to change the may to a sé, to him, to say vi sé sa Vaticán inné. He was in the Vatican yesterday. Question 4, Cada hunik sé. Now he says hunik may, that means I saw, so we have to change that to he saw. So you're going to say hunik sé, he saw. Alien, which is art, agus alán sean ruddy, art and lots of old things. And question 5, Cada di sé. And you're going to have to start it off with di sé, he ate pizza agus pasta. Well done. So make sure your full stops and your capital letters, and don't forget to put the foddas over every letter that needs a fodder. Well done.